Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get followers on Threads. Now you might have just downloaded and installed the Threads app and you might want a bunch of followers or to kickstart your following so that you can basically build an audience on there as well. I'll show you some options. So let's hop into the Threads app, and the first and easiest thing you can do is tap on your profile at the bottom right, and now at the top left where it says followers, you can tap on that, and then let's go over to following, and you can see at the very top, see others you are following on Instagram that you are not following on Thread. So I can hit this see all button, and you can see I followed all of them. But basically what this will do is it will take everybody from Instagram, every account that you are following on Instagram, and follow them on Threads as well. This will give a notification to that other person that you follow them on Threads, and it's kind of follow or follow. If you follow them, they are more likely to turn around and follow you as well, as long as they are not some big celebrities, something like that. Now at the top right, you can see pending here. These are all the pendings account I have followed but haven't signed up for Threads quite yet. So go through all this step and follow as many people you can from your Instagram app. Now the other thing you can do is, of course, just start basically posting good threads. So you can tap on the pen paper at the very bottom, and you can start typing in your various threads. So type in your comments, your thoughts, post pictures, anything like that, and then of course you can go back to your home feed and start engaging with other people's thread. So normal way on social media to build a big influence and following is just to use it a lot. So engage with people, talk, comments on these different things, hit replies, likes, all of that stuff. So go through here and engage as much as possible and post great content, really thoughtful content on here, and you will over time build a huge following. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.